Even the issues back then with the bad breath, it wasn't about anything else but smoking. But no one really wanted to say na seryoso yun. But my teeth are 110% my natural teeth. They really are. Like, I've never even wore braces in my life. For the people who are pinipilit nila na veneers ang ipin ko, I challenge them. But I want to make it clear, all right? In 23 years, parang I haven't had any plastic surgery done. Nothing. Of course, I was drinking before. I've been sober for 4 years. And I used to smoke 2 packs a day of cigarettes. But I don't smoke anymore. It's been 10 years. I've been quiet about it, but my teeth are 110% my natural teeth. They really are. Like, I've never even wore braces in my life. So, for me kasi parang, I understand na they improved through the years. Kasi, of course, I was drinking before. I've been sober for 4 years, so your teeth naturally get whiter if you don't drink alcohol. And I used to smoke 2 packs a day of cigarettes. So my teeth weren't in the best place in the world before. And hence, even the issues back then with the bad breath, it wasn't about anything else but smoking. But no one really wanted to say na seryoso yun, diba? But I don't smoke anymore. It's been 10 years. It's been 4 years of sobriety for me. That's why I say na parang back then, it's also a different experience to do this role again. Kasi back then, after taping, inom ka na agad yan kasi gusto mo ipagpag or you're numbing yourself to these things. But for me, I say na parang, I love the nature of the beast. That's how showbiz works. Sabi ko nga may time na walang chismis and it felt like the industry is plateauing. Diba? So I also appreciate everything. And so even and at the same time, when you search engine my name right now, it's viral everywhere. Like, parang you don't know if it's the LSS, it's the veneers, is it the performance, the bench. So for me, parang I do appreciate being talked about. Kasi, to be honest with you, nung pandemic, naramdaman ko yung polar opposite nun na you're just in the background and no one's talking about you. So parang I do appreciate this moment and I take everything.
Pero Jake, hindi mo ba naisip na nitpicking mo?
Nag-message sa akin GOC and they even asked. Sabi niya, nagpa-veneers ka ba? I'm like, no. Sabi ko, lahat ng... Kasi, syempre, you only go to the dentist once in a while, so they don't know what happens. And in 2 months, I told them it's the same. For me, honestly, I can tell you na parang quitting alcohol, quitting smoking played a very big part. And then whitening them every 2 years. And if you use a straw all the time, you'll maintain it white. So, that's my secret. Pero like I said, it's all fair game. Kasi sabi ko parang we're living in a time na it's showbiz and social media. It's clickbait type stuff. Diba? And for me naman parang, like I said, it's the nature of the beast and I have self-tip. 23 years ko nang ginagawa to. But I want to make it clear, alright? In 23 years, parang I haven't had any plastic surgery done. Nothing. Like, this is still the same face you saw in Click. Same teeth. 23 years. You can go to Ivy and you can go to GAOC, check my records. Talaga, all I do is just facials. And then in GAOC, I just go for cleaning. Diba? So, bilang naman ng dentista sa Pilipinas I challenge also someone to come out and say, that's the dentist who did this teeth. Diba? Totoo lang, it's a bit different from how I typically do things. Kasi diba, I like to immerse myself sa script. Diba, na I read it daily, ganyan. But like I said, pag walang script, it's not a reason not to prepare for me. So, yung script, yung episode, pinapanood ko siya, seeing where I came from, seeing where everyone's going, feel mo kung yung pulso ng show.